Well, I'll move from this to this, and I hope it works. But before I start, I'll ask you, can you read this? TIE? This is an acronym. Stands for what? Think. Very good. Act. Say. Interact. Say it again. Event. Invent. Invent. Evolve. Involve. Idea. Any E's? Any other E's? Action. We have act or action. Analyze. Very good. How about attitude? You like attitude? Okay. What else? Did you say accumulate? Did you say that? What else? One more. What? Assemble. Well, all of these are good, and if we continued for 5 minutes more, we'll get more. But I'll tell you what I thought about TII for this presentation, at least. I said, think about it. How about that? Think about it. Maybe one of you or two, maybe three, will like this motto for their life. Think about it. When you see something, you don't rush into something, but say, think about it. When someone tells you something, you say, okay, I'll think about it. When you tell somebody something, don't tell him that's the way. Think about it. To think about it. And I made a small presentation here that a friend of mine gave me a couple of photos, and I built it up, and I want you to think about it globally. Think about it. Where is the microphone here? The other microphone. Here it is. Now, I'll give you this microphone, and any sentence that appears on the screen, I want you to read it clear and loud, and give the microphone to the next. It will go fast, okay? Sometimes you have a sentence that's long, sometimes you have one word. Sometimes words are repeated. When they are repeated, you repeat them, right? Then say, okay, we said that before, okay? So here it is. Ready? You know what we are going to do? Ready?
Think about it.
Move on.
Think about it.
Again. Again.
Oh, think about it.
Think about it.
Think about it.
Here is the globe, and here is the noise.
Mali.
People are fighting for the globe. You see that? It's not only individuals are fighting, but groups of people are fighting as well. And most of the noise comes from this. Read the news.
Light year. Distance that light travels in 1 year.
Distance that light travels in 1 year. It just travels. Anybody knows how much? How long?
5,870 million miles.
Million miles.
200 miles per second.
Meaning if I made a flashlight like this, it will go to Chicago in 1 second. I have a flashlight here. Happen to be. See this flashlight here? See that? I do it like this. It goes to Chicago immediately. Chicago. This is the speed of light.
Nearest star, 4.3 light years.
4.3 light years. The nearest neighbor. Thanks.
Farthest star, 18 billion light years.
18 billion with a B light years. Now, you know what? I wanted to understand the million billion thing, and it is really amazing. We really don't really imagine how it is. I made small math, little math, and you correct me. I said 1 century is how many years? 100 years. 100 years by 365 days to get how many days in a century? How many do you think? 36,500 days. 36,500 by 100, right? Now, multiply this by 20 to get 20 centuries. That makes 730,000. Less than 250,000. Imagine since the time of Christ, real one, not the real one. If some rich guy would give you $1 every day, every morning I give you $1, $1 every single day. Today, we wouldn't reach the million. The million is so big. It's so big. It's 750,000. I made it backward. I said 1 million days divided by 365 makes 2,000 years plus 740 years. Imagine somebody rich would give $1 every day. He wouldn't spend the $1 million. Tell me about Bill Gates, how many millions or billions of dollars they have. It's big, very big. So when you talk about 4.3 light years, which is this, you do the math.